Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam victory over Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood among the people, praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and then said, undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bared elephants from Makkah Muazzama and granted his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the believers supremacy over Makkah. So it was not made a lawful place for anybody before me. It was made a lawful place for me for war for an hour of a day, and will never be a lawful place for anyone after me. So its game must not be frightened away, nor must its thorn be cut, nor must its fine dropped object is legal for anyone. Picked up saves for announcement. If someone's deer is slain, he remains with one of the two options. He should either take blood wit or retaliation. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu submitted, saves idkhir, for we use it for graves and at homes. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, saves idkhir. Abu Shah from the people of Yemen stood up and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, get it written for me. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, write it down for Abu Shah. I said to Ozai, what does it mean? O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, get it written for me. He said, this is the address he heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2434.